If you're an ant keeper like myself, then you would know that ants are very clean. But how clean are they exactly? Well, today I'm going to find out. It's even more important for ants to keep clean than humans. This is because if the antennae of an ant gets too dirty, they won't be able to detect food or smell pheromone trails which ants use to communicate. In fact, their cleaning routines are a lot more complicated than you would have thought. During the cleaning process, the antennae is pulled through the device which clears away dirt particles using bristles, a comb and a brush. But this is not their only magic trick up their sleeves. Wood ants are also known to incorporate plant resin with formic acid to create antifungal properties. These ants are literally creating their own medicines. Ants will also dedicate an area outside their nest to place waste, and it tends to be as far away from the nest as possible to reduce the chances of a fungal outbreak. They also have a metapleural gland. These glands are unique to ants and they are responsible for the production of an antibiotic fluid that then gets collected in a reservoir on the ant's back. These reservoirs are also referred to as bulla, and they vary in sizes depending on the species of ant. From the bulla, the ants can groom the secretion onto the surface of their exoskeleton. This helps to prevent the growth of bacteria and fungal spores on the ants and inside their nest. So I decided to put that theory to the test, and to do this I'll be using agar petri dishes to culture bacteria from my ant's nest outworld, and I even tried to do it on my own thumb. To begin, I used sterile swabs and wiped it onto the surface that I wanted to test. Then I placed the bacteria that was on the swabs into separate agar plates by swiping it in a zigzag motion. Then I taped the agar plates shut and I incubated them for 1 week.
1 week later.
When I removed them from their incubation chamber, I was stunned by the results. Within these two cultures, we have the bacteria of the Myrmica nest and the outworld of the same colony. Whereas this is the culture of microbes that live on my thumb. As you can see, they look very different. The fuzzy blobs on the sample from my thumb are actually fungi, but when you look at the samples from the ants, there is no fungi to be seen. This proves that the metapleural gland must be working. It also shows that the ants are cleaner than me. So next time that you see an ant, just remember that they are cleaner than you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!